Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Donnn here today. And it is another hot, scorching day out here in Florida, man. It is just crazy, man. But whether it's hot or cold, like I said, y'all know I gotta wash this gold ass truck. Keep it clean, since I don't wanna ruin the wrap. And today we got Scat Pack Dex back there too, man. His shit's super dirty. Look at his shit, y'all. Dirty. Look at that. All the right subscribe on that. Look at that, is just terrible, y'all. His truck dirty. Mine ain't as bad as his, y'all, but we decided today that we was gonna have a little detail day, cause you see his clearly needed, and mine do too a little bit, but not as bad. But on the inside, let me show y'all a little before on both cars. All right, y'all, let's get a little walk around on this dirty ass vehicle. Of course, it's gold, so you can't really see like that. But let's see if we can get some more dirt. There you go. Look how dirty it is. Good thing I got them two helpers back there, because they finna wash the shit out of this motherfucker, y'all. But anyway, keep going around. Oh, by the way, y'all, I got some little damage done to my wrap too. You see that? I had the llama on the back of the truck, y'all, and it shot some shit at the truck. And I'm disappointed about that, y'all. I don't know how I am about my wrap, y'all. And I'm getting kind of sloppy with it, which is why I was disappointed in myself, y'all. Which is why I'm saying it's almost time for this wrap to come off, because I'm just getting kind of reckless at the time being, because I don't know how much longer it's going to last, y'all. But let's continue this little walk through. As you come on the inside, y'all, you see how dirty it is. But good thing they weather match, y'all, so I can spray them right off. Looking kind of rough now here. You got footprints right here, the Jordan slides, of course. Dusty up here, all up in there, in the cup holders, dirty. In between there, it's dirty, y'all. Shit, damn charger stuck in there. It's crazy. Well, yeah, dirty, y'all, but you see, we keep that sanitizer on deck. Let's see, hit the back seat. Back seat ain't too bad, because I don't got that many people back there, so that really won't take much, y'all. Just still a little dusty on the back of the seats and stuff like that. Other than that, it's pretty much clean back there, man. Got the Donnn back here chilling. Like, subscribe, you feel me? Got a little dirt right there and stuff too, y'all, but other than that, we good. Gotta wipe that off, wipe the windows. A little dirt there. Shit. Taking a look at Scat Pack Dex shit right now, and this is just ridiculous. Nigga got over 1 million bug splats, which means he ain't been to the car wash don't know how long, all over the light globes. Look at this, y'all. He got a B right there. B right there. Y'all already seen how dirty the wheels was. He just wilding out. This is what you do to your car, bro. Don't take no care of it. Dirty. You got fingerprint marks and shit back here, y'all. The man just been getting down back here. More of the story, this shit need clean, man. And he locked the door, y'all, so we can't even get in. So as you can see, y'all, we at the house today. Y'all know we usually at the car wash with the pressure washers and all that good shit. But today, we're gonna do it old school. I got the bucket down here. And we finna get down and dirty, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Finna hand wash the shit out this truck like the old days. Because to me, I always feel like that's what works best. And I got a little kit. Boom. Right here. With all kinds of shit in it. Let's check out what we got in here, y'all. So we got the McGuire's kit right here. It's like for exterior and interior. So we got ultimate wash and wax, glass cleaner, detailer, hot shine. I don't think I'm gonna use that right there. Then we got the microfiber towel and all that stuff like that, y'all. So let's not waste no time and get straight into it, man.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Y'all, it's so hot, you see. Usually it's not as easy for me to dry this water up, but it's so hot and humid. It's damn near dried itself up today, which is a good thing. Yeah, go check on Scat Pack Jace right there, man. He's back there sweating bullets. He tried to get a tent, but I don't think he did it the right way. He still got that sun beaming in his head. Fuck off, dude. You better back the fuck up, I tell you that. Ask him how it's coming, sir.
How you doing?
He said how it's coming, not how you doing. Fuck off. That's how I'm doing.
Damn, y'all, I guess it did work. Y'all see how that ground coming off there? Damn, that shit did work. Should have been using that. Yes, sir, ski. Brand new motherfucking rim. I mean, tire. I see my wheel look that good in a long time, y'all. I'm proud of that. I need to buy some more of that stuff right there. What that called? At McGuire's Hot Shine Foam. I gotta get me some more of that. That look damn good, y'all. Match the gloss. Gloss. Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all. This one right here was real bad. Trying to get it. I'm almost done though for the most part. You see everything looking clean, glossed up. Got about 2 more wheels to go, y'all. But other than that, I got to come on the inside. And I thought about spraying them off, but I ain't even finna go through all that. Y'all, I'm gonna just probably knock them off, do that, and let y'all see what it look like afterwards. We might go inside for a little bit, but we'll see in just a couple seconds. But let me get it clean real quick. It's so hot out here, man. I'm finna wipe this dashboard a little bit. After that, man, you gotta call it quits. It's too hot out here. It did start raining a little bit, and that's just so crazy. The day I choose, it has not rained all week, y'all, but the day I choose to wash my car, of course, it wants to rain. That's how life works for me sometimes. But other than that, man, I'm gonna clean out the inside. And that's my detail day for the day, man. I appreciate it if y'all tuned in today. If y'all haven't hit that like button or subscribe yet, make sure y'all hit that for me, man. A lot of more videos coming in soon. I know your boy Donnn, he been slacking a little bit, but everything about to change, man. Coming back strong with the videos for sure. Oh man, am I worried, y'all? So trust and believe they coming. They coming, y'all. So make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button, man. Stay tuned for more videos, and we out of here, man.